Hawaiian nature lovers, we have great news. Kelly Dunn and the Hawaii Tropical Bioreserve and Gardens have created a brand new tour adventure. Most people know Kelly Dunn as the #1 tour guide on the island of Hawaii. Now you can experience Kelly Dunn's guided walking tours at the garden. During this 3-hour walking tour, Kelly will talk about the exotic trees, plants, and flowers. The garden is located on the Onamia Valley and Onamia Bay. This is one of the most biodiverse rainforests anywhere on Earth. Throughout this garden valley, nature trails meander through a true tropical rainforest. You will cross over bubbling streams and beautiful waterfalls. The trails offer exciting views along the rugged Pacific Ocean coast. All tours are rain or shine. We are located 25 minutes from the Hilo International Airport, only 16 minutes from downtown Hilo. Plan your visit as early as possible to ensure availability. All tours are by phone appointment only. We offer public and private tours. The garden is open 7 days a week for self-guided tours. To reserve a guided walking tour with Kelly Dunn, call 808-640-3888. All tours are presented by the Painted Trees of Hawaii, a 5092A nonprofit educational foundation. All tours are 100% tax deductible for residents of the United States. For a guided walking tour with Kelly Dunn, call 808-640-3888. We accept all major credit cards. We will see you soon at the Hawaii Tropical Bioreserve and Garden. Mahalo and aloha.